Oh yeah.
The lab coats, white as ice and water flow. You know who we are, cause we're pimping all over the lab. The lab coats, white as ice and water flow. You know who we are, cause we're pimping all over the lab. The lab, the lab, the lab. All over the lab, baby. It's only right that I share my experiments with y'all, cause I've done things that you could never imagine. Thanks to all the famous chemists out there, I'm like, hey Polly, how you doing? You're the chemist that I'm really pursuing, and I would like to get to know you. Can you give me your name and some quantum numbers? Please note you can be the same. Hey, but Dalton's the man of this town, and he knows the partial pressure of every gas around. So when you have a bunch of them that don't react with each other, uses law of partial pressures, then you'll love him like a brother. Hey, my boy Ernest Rutherford isn't just a guy who has a name that sounds like a turd. He said particles give off radiation, it's told, and he found out by just using up a piece of some gold. Hey, I'm Curie won a Nobel Prize. Even though she's a girl, she was better than most guys. She used techniques to get isotopes. Just dive right into my lab, Marie will show you the ropes. The lab coats, white as ice and water flow. You know who we are, cause we're pimping all over the lab. The lab coats, white as ice and water flow. You know who we are, cause we're pimping all over the lab. The lab, the lab, the lab. You hear the song, so dance. Don't always think I'm trying to get in my pants. See, my man Avogadro, he discovered the mold. Such a useful conversion, he's a really kind soul. His number's 6.02 to the 23rd. In high school, he was known as a nerd. My homie Robert Milliken used some oil drops. When we lived in the hood, we had to run from mad cops. Found the charge of an electron, and he taught at Caltech. Man, if I were to walk there, it'd be a hell of a trek. Michael Faraday used the lines of force. To get to the laboratory, he would ride on a horse. Then the Lee had sorted out the periodic table. He knew from the trends why noble gases are so stable. But last and definitely not least, J.J. Thompson's the man. Use a spectrometer, Nobel Prize was the plan. Now that you know what it's all about, my name is J Money, and this chemist is out.
The lab, the lab, the lab, lab.
This has been a J Money production featuring Big C. Shout out to Big G and all my homies out there in the struggle.
Chem.
I'll do it.